Hello students, welcome again with the new question. We are in question number 7 of exercise 2.4 chapter 2 linear equation in one variable. So let us start. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. Hassan is one guy who buys two kind of cloth material. One is shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per 1 meter, and the trouser material also he buys. The cost of trouser is for 1 meter it is rupees 90. So whatever they have given, I have written over here. The thing which is given is the cost of 1 meter of shirt material is rupees 50 and the cost of 1 meter of trouser material is rupees 90. Now moving further, for every 3 meters of shirt material he buys 2 meters of the trouser materials. That means they have given us the total shirt material and trouser material, but they have given us in ratio. That is, when he buys 3 meters of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of trouser materials. That is 3:2 they have given us. And you know students, whenever they have given us in ratio, we take those terms in terms of x. So let me write, let the trouser materials, let the total shirt material, because they have given us first as shirt material be 3x meters and the total trouser material be 2x meters. Now if he buys 1 meter of shirt material, he will pay 50 rupees. So what will be the cost of the shirt material having 3x meter? Definitely the cost price, therefore the cost price of shirt material is equal to 3x total in meter into cost of 1 meter, that is rupees 50. So what will be the total cost price? It is 50 into 3 is 150x, rupees 150x. That is the cost price of the shirt material. And what will be the cost price of trouser material? Total material is 2x meter and cost of 1 meter is 90. So its cost price will be, total cost price will be 180x, rupees 180x. Now let us move further in the question. They are telling us he sells, that means he sells means selling price. Here they are talking about the selling price. He sells the material at 12% and 10% respectively, profit respectively. So he is gaining profit over here. And what is the profit? Selling price is 12% profit in shirt material and 10% profit in trouser materials. So let us find selling price now. Therefore now selling price of shirt material is equal to, you know the selling price, how to write the selling price. Selling price is cost price plus profit. And what is cost price? Cost price is rupees 150x plus profit is equal to 12%, but 12% of what? 12% of cost price. So we will move further. We will write 150x plus 12%. What we used to do in 7th standard, 12% means 12 divided by 100. Of means multiplication, and what is cost price? 150x. 0 0 will be cancel out. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. These two, again 2 1s are and 2 6s are. So we will get 150x plus 6 3s are 18. Sorry, here 150x it was. So 6 3s are 18x. So we will get selling price of such material as 180x. Therefore, selling price of shirt material is equal to 180x. Similarly, since trouser is also in profit, so we will find out also selling price of trouser material is equal to cost price of trouser plus profit of profit. Okay, so what is cost price? It is 180x plus what is profit? It is 10%. 10% we can write 10 divided by 100 of what? 10% of what? 10% of the cost price. And what is cost price? 180x. 0, this 0, 2 0 and 2 0 in denominator, it will be cut. So our selling price will be 180 plus 18, 198x. Now we have found selling price also. Now what they say, what they are telling us. Let us move further. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Okay, they are telling us total sale is rupees 36,600, and total sale means what? Selling of trouser and selling of shirt. If we add them, we get 36,600. So we will write, therefore, according to question, total sale is equal to 36,600. And what is total sale made up of? Selling price of shirt plus selling price of trousers is equal to 36,600. And what is selling price of shirts, students? We have taken, it is 180x plus selling price of trouser. Sorry students, I have made one error over here. Here it is 168x. So it was my mistake. 168 plus 198x is equal to 36,600. We will add this. So 198 plus 2 will give me 200 and 166 over here. So it will be 366x is equal to 36,600. We want x, so we will take 366 in division. So we will get 36,600 divided by 366. 366 ones are 366 ones are. So our x is equal to 100. This x is equal to 100. If we put in trouser materials, so we will get the total trouser material which he buys, and that is what we want to find out. So let us put, therefore total trouser material is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200 meters. That means total trouser material which Hassan buys is 200 meter. Hope you have understood this question. It is very important question. So please go through it once more so that you can understand it properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.